Hi, welcome to India Food Network. I'm Asha Khatau. Today I'm going to show you one steamed Gujarati snack with a twist. It is called Rawa Makaina Dhokla. If you like to know how to make it, keep watching. Let's have a look at the ingredients to make Rawa Makai Dhokla. We require 1 cup of Rawa, which is Semolina, 3/4 cup of yellow corn which is boiled, half a cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger chili paste, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of fruit salt, half a cup of water. For tempering we require 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon each of mustard seeds, sesame seeds and white gram which is urad dal, a pinch of hing, a few pieces each of green chili and curry leaves. Firstly, we have to do the corn and the dahi, mix it together in a liquidizer and blend until smooth. Firstly, we add corn to the liquidizer jar. The small jar would be good enough for the quantity that we have, to which I add the yogurt, half cup. We are going to churn this to a smooth paste. I just like to mix it in between just to make sure that all the corn grains are crushed properly. Yes, now that this is done, now I am going to mix the corn mixture into the semolina along with all the other ingredients. After this, I will add salt to taste, ginger chili paste to make it nice and spicy, half cup of water. Now at this point I want to mix it really well before adding the remaining ingredients, and I would also like to tell you that while you do this, you make sure that the water in the steamer is already started getting heated and reaches the boiling point by the time you finish this, because as soon as the mixture is ready, you have to put it into the steamer to get the maximum benefit of the rising agent, which is the fruit salt. There is a little principle that whenever any rising agent mixes with any liquid mixture, it starts acting, whether it is in the oven or it is in the steamer or it is outside at room temperature. So when the rising agent starts acting, as soon as you are able to put it in to cook, you get the maximum benefit of that. As a result, you have nice and fluffy end product. You can see the nice and thick mixture is ready. Now what I am going to do is I am going to make a little place in the center where I am going to add the fruit salt, over which we need to add a lemon juice. So as you can see, the whole thing starts bubbling up, and now you just fold it in gently and quickly. Now that the batter is ready, we have to put it in a steamer in a stainless steel plate. So here we can see the water is bubbling up, boiling and ready. So we spread the mixture in this stainless steel plate, smoothen out the surface and allow this steaming for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that the dhokla is steamed and ready, it's time for us to remove it from the steamer. and do the tempering. So for tempering, we have 1 tablespoon of oil and a teaspoon of mustard seeds, white gram, sesame seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida, which is hing. To make it nice and spicy, we have some freshly chopped green chilies and a few curry leaves. So our tempering is ready, which we are going to put it over our steamed dhokla. Just a little tip I want to give you on tempering. While we were doing the tempering, you have to remember that it is not on a very high flame, because otherwise the tempering can get burnt and that will not give a very good taste wherever you put this. Just spread it with the back of the spoon just to make sure that each and every corner of the dhokla gets the flavor of tempering. Now I am going to just cut them into pieces. You can either cut it into square pieces, or if you cut it at an angle, it would come in a diamond shape, whichever one you like. Once you have cut it nicely, allow it to cool slightly and then you can just remove it with a flat spoon, just like this. You can see nice fluffy Rawa Makai Dhokla. You may want to garnish it with some pieces of corn and chopped coriander before serving. This is best served with green chutney. Now our dhokla with the twist is ready. I'm sure you're going to enjoy serving and eating this dish. And if you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network and do remember to give us the feedback.